What a magical, crisp morning here this morning in Newcastle. The surf's cranking, but there's no surfing today because I'm off to meet up with my good mate Reese at Cake Boy. Reese! Oh, Hayden! So good to see you.
Welcome to Cake Boy. I'm excited to introduce you to K-Mac.
Oh, the beans are coming out.
Hey! This coffee, for example, is from a single producer and the quality really starts there.
That was good.
That was great. I've got the batch brew. Now, Hayden, let's go to Derby Street, Food Street. You'll love it.
Okay.
Here's one of my favourite cafes, Three Monkeys. Everything's here. So you've got restaurants, you've got coffee shops, great bars. Yeah, the pub's great. Head down this way, Derby Street Quality Butcher.
Yep.
Cut some up for you.
So it's all done here in-house?
It is, mate. It's all done from 100% Australian pork and beef.
That ham and biltong was delicious. Now it's time to head down and see Sean at Foghorn.
Try that straight from the fermenter. So that's unfiltered, uncarbonated, as raw or as green as you're going to get.
It's delicious.
This is Civic Park.
But we need to find somewhere to cook.
Yeah, the Yeti's done well. Right, so it's a very quick dip, and then you're going to put half of that on. Biggest slice ever.
And what a day we've had here in Newcastle. So much fun. Thank you to both of you for sharing your town with me.
Thanks for coming.
Hayden, thank you for coming to Newey, our home.